It's very green vegetable. What I gonna cook with my fish recipe today? Yeah, so really green like this morning glory and a cucumber, and this the yellow one. It's ready now. The fish after it's been cooking like for the 15 or 20 minutes, and time to take it out. And after cooking, now my fish is ready, and we have to take the skin and the bone out, you know. Yeah, so start it. Cha បន្ទាប់ពីយើងឥឡូវយើងជ្រុំត្រីហើយអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវយើងដាក់ទឹកប្រហុកដែលយើងអាំងហើយ Yeah, so we add like tournament fish. After we mix the fish together, and we start to squeeze the lemon. แล้วយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមចំបាច់ក្រូចឆ្មាបងប្អូនណាចា We squeeze the lemon into the fish. And we add the garlic, chopped garlic. แล้วយើងបន្ទាប់មកយើងដាក់ខ្ទឹមសបងប្អូនហើយ yeah, we start to add the seasoning and chicken powder, salt, and some sugar. And we add peanut. We add the green herb. And we add a little bit the fish soup that we boil from the fish. Put into it. Put in my cái prohok Teuk Kroeng. Yeah, we call it Teuk Kroeng. Like we mix all the fish. Yeah. Now we take it. This cucumber. Like this, then yeah. And also we add with the yellow Yeah, very yellow. Mmm. Yummy. Anyone know about this? You have ever tried? This is a purple one. นั่นก็ให้ที่
กากเพรา
Yeah, กะเพรา I don't know in oh กะเพรา the green the floating on the lake, right? Yeah. This is a flower from the green the floating on the lake. So yummy with the red chili. Okay friends, thank you for watching. If you interesting, can follow my recipe.